Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where your radio fuse is located, which fuse you need to check if your radio doesn't turn on, if it's not working. Stay with us, we'll explain where to buy cheap fuses from, relays as well, why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. We'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 where the radio fuse is located, guys. So you guys have 2 fuse boxes. The main fuse box on your truck, guys, is located under the hood behind, the car battery right here in the corner. And if you open that fuse box, you're going to see a layout that will look just like this one. You can see that's the layout. You have fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, overpriced, or impossible to find, guys, for replacements. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a really good price and quick shipping for your convenience. But guys, the fuse box that we need, for the radio will be located inside the cabin on the passenger footwell. And if you guys look at the kick panel here, you remove that plastic, you're going to notice, a fuse box, once you open it, that looks just like this one. So before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So which fuse we need to check, guys, for the radio specifically? We're going to come on the left side. I'll zoom in a little bit so we can clearly see now. Yeah, you're lucky enough that you will not be checking any of those double fuses because those could be tricky to find replacement ones. You're going to come in that row on the left side. You'll see the numbers 31, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so forth. The fuse, guys, that we need for the radio will be fuse number 33, that fuse right here. And if you look, it's that 20 amp fuse that you will need to check. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.